So y'all ready for the explosion?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You can come over here, but you can't get in the camera till your hair gets combed.
Mom, come and see the volcano.
Jemai, you might want to come stand over here.
This is gonna be a big mess, guys.
Here, you
This is
wanna-
why
Mom, come
you
and
need
see
a
the
parent.
volcano.
Why you need a parent with you to help you. It's so busy.
It feels like a bath bomb.
Yeah.
Oh God.
It kind of burns because it's the baking soda. You can feel
It
it.
burns your finger?
Not
Not
really.
mine.
I wonder why it's separating. Okay, let's see.
Guys, it is separating back right
And it has
here.
like a smell. So let's see if we shake it up what happens. Watch out.
Let me
Watch out. Let me shake it. I don't have a top.
Oh God.